Do you want to learn copywriting? Well, here's 7 best copywriting courses online, free, plus paid. First course, the Complete Copywriting Course by Udemy. This course will help you in mastering the skills of copywriting and content writing, and more. In this course you will learn ways of writing like a pro. The best thing about this course is that it directs how to write effective sales copy, timeless copywriting formula, templates, and free tools. Topics covered in this course are bite-sized fundamentals, secret of winning plan, call to actions, formulas, nutshell headlines, pocket guide section. You will learn effective ways to sell more products and services. You will learn how to compel your readers using timeless sales psychology. You will learn effective tactics to compel people to act now. You will learn ways to expel stage fright and blank page anxiety. You will know about secrets and hacks of world successful copywriters. You will know the psychology behind profitable business. You will learn in an energetic and interactive way. This course is for advanced levels including marketers, business owners, freelancers, and for the busy people who want to take advantage of copywriting. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Complete Copywriting Course from Beginner to Advanced by Udemy. This course will drill your both learning and writing best copy skills. You will get copywriting gigs and a consistent inflow of high-paying customers. Topics covered in this course are copywriting basics, copywriting triggers by Joseph Sugarman, how to get copywriting clients. You will learn what is copywriting, importance of learning copyright, science behind the usage of words. You will learn about 3 magical wands. You will learn how to convert features into benefits, headlines, and how to write them, clickbait headlines, and how to write them, taglines are, and how to write taglines. You will learn about doing search engines work. You will learn a complete guide of copywriting triggers. You will know about ways to get clients, how to get jobs via newspaper, how to make the right portfolio, ways of making money. You will come across with 6 additional free tools for copywriting. This course is for new copywriters, inexperienced young entrepreneurs, brands, and for beginning marketing guys. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Modern Copywriting by Udemy. The best thing about this course is writing copy that is in demand, learning about how to strategically deliver words. Topics covered in this course are crafting your copy, copywriting formulas, copywriting for B2B versus B2C, creating great headlines, copywriting for landing pages and CTAs, copywriting for email, copywriting for social media. In this course you will learn what copywriting is and ways to do it effectively. You will learn ways to gain understanding of audience, competition, products, and your brand's unique voice. You will learn about copywriter tactics, structure, persuasion, emotion, power words, clarity, and more. You will learn about proven copywriting formulas. You will learn how to distinguish between B2B and B2C copywriting. You will learn effective ways to craft B2B. You will learn how to write effective and attractive headlines. You will learn copywriting tactics for special projects, including landing pages, CTAs, email, social media, and much more. This course is for people interested in copywriting, marketing professionals, business owners, freelancers, entrepreneurs, web and graphic designers. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Copywriting, the Psychology of Your Irresistible Offer by Udemy. The best thing about this course is that they make you understand how to add 8 psychological elements in your offer in order to take your conversation skyrocket overnight. Topics covered in this course are project assignment, the psychological elements put into practice, grand tour special offer now. You will learn how to include top 8 psychological elements in your marketing offer, how to make your price look like the best deal ever, even if you sell a product or service for $500, how to frame your value proposition. You will learn to communicate clearly and get 100% accuracy every time, how to create urgent situations to cause people to act quickly, how to add bonuses and other incentives to increase the value of your proposition. You will learn about the biggest secret of creating a successful offer. You will come to know about the top 3 rules when writing a marketing story. You will learn about removing risks, or even better, reverse them. This course is for bloggers, book authors, online entrepreneurs, online marketers, and the ones who require writing marketing copy. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Copywriting Course with Gold Membership by Henry Harvin Writing Academy. This course will help you in mastering the skills of copywriting attributes, competition research analysis, industrial trends, and more. Topics covered in this course are characteristics of good copywriting, knowing about the audience, posting on social media, copywriting practice, research. You will learn how to do research on industrial trends and competition in the market. You will get to know characteristics of a good copywriter. You will learn ways of understanding the position of clients in the market. You will know about the audience, how to write with simplicity and clarity, how to convey messages, how to post on social media. If you want to learn about social media marketing, click on the I button. You will learn best copywriter practices. At the end, you will master the writing profession and will understand what is the need of buyers and sellers. Benefits of this course are: choice of class selecting according to your schedule, 100% placement support, experience of above 10 years, monthly boot camps, 1-year gold membership. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. 6th course, Learn Copywriting by Class Center YouTube. This free copywriting course is from the Class Center, which you can access through YouTube. It focuses on the powerful ways of copywriting. Topics covered in this course are: exploring Tai Lopez Garage ad in Urdu, ways of success, copywriting, and money-making. Warren Buffett, copywriting formulas, 6 powerful ways of writing, usage of words, copywriting formula that grabs interest. Ad on Facebook with an exciting offer. Marketing and sales copy, making money. You will learn what is copywriting and ways to become a copywriter. You will explore Tai Lopez Garage ad in Urdu. You will learn pro tips for successful copywriting. You will learn the secrets of Warren Buffett's copywriting and making money, usage of social media marketing, amazing copywriting formulas. You will learn about 6 powerful ways of writing copies that sell, how to write an ad on Facebook. You will learn ways of making money. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. 7th course, Free Copywriting Course by Copywriting Course. This free copywriting course is from Copywriting Course. This 25-minute course is framed to clear the basics of copywriting. This course is for beginners. Topics covered in this course are: difference between selling and education, the AIDA formula, write like you talk, appealing to your customers, features versus benefits, checklist, resources, and books. You will learn the difference between selling and educating. You will learn about the single best copywriting formula, the AIDA formula. You will learn ways to write in a manner like you talk, how to get the attention of customers, features, and benefits. You will know about copywriting resources and books. If you want to enroll to this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.